Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be talking about University of Toronto. So as we all know, there are many students or even many graduates who want to go to abroad, like they want to study abroad overseas. This is a video we are making to help them to decide their universities. So this is one of the university we'll be talking about, the University of Toronto. As we all know that Toronto is located in Canada. So University of Toronto is in Toronto, as in it's in Canada only. So this is, if you want to apply, if you want to know few things about University of Toronto, we'll be telling you in this video as much as we can explain. So as you can see on my screen, the website of University of Toronto is open. The link of this official website is already in the description box of this video. You can see if you want to apply, if you want to know the academics detail, if you want to contact them, if you want to see the current student, international student, everything is mentioned over here. So as you can see guys, there, if you want to go for undergraduate programs, as if you want to go to the university just before your 12th, you have to see some undergraduate programs they are offering. If you want to, if you are going to abroad after your graduation, then you have to see professional and graduate program. If you want to build your own degree, you also have that option, which you don't have in India. So if you want to go for graduate program, you just have to click over here and let's see all the graduate programs which is offered by University of Toronto. So we can see these are some filter. These are the three campuses. As we know, in DU we have North Campus, South Campus. Just like that, here also they are providing us three campuses which comes under University of Toronto. You can select the campus accordingly your choice. These are some campus as well as the programs which they are offering: art, history, Asian geographic, Asian literature, astronomical sciences, astronomy. Here you can see various courses. The most common courses for which people go over there are MBA, BBA, mainly management studies, engineering study, and MBBS. Yeah, MBBS also one of the study. Like I'm telling from the point of view of Indian students, as from the statistics, as far as I read, that mainly students who go over, like go to University of Toronto, they mean like the main courses they apply are of management, MBBS, and engineering. There might be other students who want to go for other courses as well, but as far as the stats, these were the main portions which were considered. So these are some courses. If you want to go for maths and its application, or maybe study of media was also one of them, but it was not like there was not much portion of students who covered media studies. You can see philosophy, physics, there are so many different type of. Here we come from management, as we were telling. There are many. You just have to decide which one you want accordingly. So here are the program information, like the degree. There are bachelor of business administration, honors of bachelors of art. These are some programs which they are offering. You can take minor as well as specialist, as well as major and specialist, according to according to your preference. These are some academic requirements. As we all know guys, if you want to go and study abroad, you have to give some tests, right? So before applying for these universities, you have to give those tests. They are IELTS. Yes, IELTS is also one of the exam. IELTS, TOEFL, these are some exam for which they'll understand how much English you know. These are some exam to study your English, whether it's good enough for you to go over there. So these are some exam which you have to like give in India before thinking to go abroad. You have to see how much year of preparation you need and everything which is necessary. So these are some requirements. School diploma, six like courses included: advanced function English, You can accordingly see if you have already given your exams which are necessary to go over there, go to abroad, not only in Canada but US. Some people, yeah, Germany is also one of the very nice countries where I have seen Indian students going. Like, I have studied about that Germany, US, Canada, and one more was the UK. Yes, UK was also one of those countries where Indian students prefer to go. So if you want to explore something, these are some: build your own degree, first year foundation beyond classes. It means global experience, student and research, pre-university programs is also provided over here. So explore if you want to know about Toronto GTA, the campus, housing, dining and food, transportation, campus life, anything you want to know about it. Let's see the campus life over there. Okay, we have to explore whenever we decide a university. It's more like, we are building our path towards our career. We are moving towards, every second we are moving towards in our life into a more deeper lane. So you have to research more. Like, you should know what you in, like, what mud, in what sand, in what land you're putting your leg into, in where you are going, whether at the place you are going is it your best decision. Because when you are thinking about a career, of course there must be a option B, that is a necessity. But the main focus will always be on option A only, no matter there are thousand other option for me. Okay, so here are some clubs. These are okay. There's some video also if you wanna go and watch it. Communicate, community and cultures, student life. If you wanna talk to students, you also have a preference. If you wanna talk, you can like click over here and talk to the student. Like, ask a student. Our ambassadors are current undergraduate student with a wealth of view of the University of Toronto, knowledge and experience on campus. Please note that that our ambassadors are not admission experts. They'll not be able to. Okay, so it's written quite clearly that they are not the admission experts. If you want to talk about the admission, you have to talk to someone else. Like, you have to go and contact them. But if you want to talk to a student, like, to understand whether you it is good enough for you, you can write your name, email ID, if have you applied, yes or no, and ask a question accordingly, whichever you want. If you want to visit, let's see over here. Visit University of Toronto webcast and online information session. Okay, so they also give session, online session. If you want to register for some webcast, you can. Campus tour, there are three campuses, as you I already told you about it. Direction and maps, full campus days, see all events, request informations, FAQs. So if you want to apply, if you have done everything you want to apply, all you need to see the requirements. The first and the most important step is to see whether what are the requirements of the university. By requirements, I don't mean not like what stuffs you need to carry. By requirement, I mean the eligibility criteria. It's like in India we say eligibility, in Canada we can say admission requirements. That might be those exam which I told you about. Find requirements for applying from Canadian schools. International students, for international students, you have to find requirements. Apply to you international high school if you're currently studying outside Canada, or if you want, if your most recent academic experience was outside Canada, find the relevant country or admission educational system in the international admission requirements. So you can go over here and check whichever like according to your, if you are if you are going for graduation, if you're going for post graduation, whichever degree you are going, you can see the admission requirements accordingly. If you have done everything, you just have to apply. If you want to apply, you can just go over here and apply. The important dates are also mentioned over there as per as your concern. If you want to go over there and check it out, you can. You can see applying the COVID criteria or also in their mind, the application deadlines, detail about applying, how your application is considered, all the documents required, everything is written over here. It is, I don't have to even tell. Access the international application accordingly. Full-time degree who are not currently Ontario, who are not currently on that high school, on like who are not currently Ontario high school students, full-time degree. Accordingly, guys, you can go and you can contact to them. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this video might help you if you want to go abroad, if you want to study in Canada in university. And we'll be making few other videos also if you want to have some choice, like if you want to know about few university before selecting the one which is the best for you. So thank you. I hope this video might help you. If you have any doubt regarding this university, I would love to receive your comments in the comment section. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you.